Y'all, why is my life like this? Why is my life like this? First of all, say y'all, Liam, say what up to the camera. What up? Say what up. What's up? Say what it do, baby.
Baby.
All right, close enough. Anyways, okay, so I put these in my hair. Like, what? Girl. I put these twists in my hair on Saturday. Today is Wednesday. Granted, they look kind of, okay, we're not gonna talk about it. But I plan on keeping them in for like 2 weeks, but I just have not been sleeping well, but it doesn't matter. So I put these in my hair like 3 days ago. I have to take them out today because I recorded this video for Her Given Hair, no, sorry, for Her Given Hair, which is probably, why can't I talk? Which should probably be out already, but let me tell you, I have to re-record the whole entire thing because I'm not gonna tell you why. I'm gonna show you, and you tell me if you can see why I had to re-record the entire thing. So I have this, I don't want to call it a huge secret because, like, who cares really? But I've been holding back something from you guys for a little bit because I didn't want it to be too, like, perfect and coily and curly because that's. So I'm not sure if anyone caught it. If you did, leave a comment down below really quick before I show you, because once you see it, you can't unsee it. Yeah, I'm giving y'all a second to write. Okay, now I'm gonna let you guys know I had put on that wig and the adjustable strap was hanging out the side of my neck the entire video and ain't nobody tell me. I'm just like, how did I not see that? Look. So I have to re-record the whole video. Here she is right here. So who mans? So anyways, I've only been wearing these in my head for 3 days, but I'm gonna take them out. But my hair is crusty as heck anyway, so not a huge deal, but like, what a waste. Like, if you guys know what it takes to record, like, it took me like an hour. It took me some time to record that video, and now I have to do it all over again. So that's always great. I know you guys want to see more of Pia, but she's in Hawaii right now living her best life. So there will be no Pia in this vlog. She won't be back for another 2 weeks. So it's just me. Yep, just me and that. Yep, nice and loud. Just me and Liam. So anyways, that's my life, you guys. Just.
Oh shoot.
Oh shoot. I know. Don't say that though. I'm gonna go throughout my hair and just take them all out. Let me find something to watch.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic plans in my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart, I'm falling apart.
No. Y'all do not get to see this. This is. Why is my life like this? Why do I look like this? Like, what if I were to cut off all my hair and like start dreads? This is what I would look like. Oh my gosh. This is funny. What's really going on? I don't know. All right. Let me finish taking these out so I could get it together. Okay. So, we back with the gel braids on today. I'm just gonna yo, my head. I need to wash my hair so bad. So, I'm gonna go wash my hair and... No, I'm not. I don't know why I said that. I'm gonna go record this video really quick and then I'll be back. What up, y'all? I look like a person again. So I don't know which video is gonna go up first. I really hope my Her Given Hair video goes up first so I'm not spoiling the surprise or the spilling the tea, you know what I'm saying? But this is the Her Given Hair wig that I collaborated with. It's the only one just inspired unit. You better go get it. Go get it. Isn't it cute? By the way, I went to Forever 21 yesterday expecting to see some closing sales. What is on my lip? Expecting to see some closing sales, like going out of business or everything must go or 70% off. And why do I see now hiring signs? Like, are y'all closing or not? I just don't understand. This is it here, you know? This is what we're doing. This is what we are doing. What do I look like right now? Am I giving y'all little bow wow vibes? Y'all, aside from the fact that my camera sucks, I just don't understand how I pay so much money for this and it never focuses. I am truly having like a serious hair crisis right now. Like, I want to cut off my hair. I do. Like, I don't want to, but I just want my hair to be fully natural again, like natural color, like no chemicals, no nothing. My hair, I don't know what to do anymore. Like my hair, I'm about to just record a video talking about why I'm never going to color my hair ever again. At least that's how I feel right now. I don't know, but I'm gonna go to where am I going to? Oh, my camera finna die. What's going on? I'm about to go to Target right now to see if they have it. Now the thing is, my Target is like 20 minutes away from my house. So if I go there and they don't have it, I'm gonna be real pressed. But I'm gonna go anyway. All right, let's go. Bro, is it like bird season or something? These birds, they just be everywhere and just in the middle of the road. Y'all, can I just say, I just realized I drove all the way to Target without turning on, like, do y'all see, like, I forgot to turn on the headlights in my mom's car. And the only reason I noticed that is because when I parked, I was like, I reached to turn off the lights and I was like, oh, it's already off. Anyways, I'm used to driving my own car, but whatever. I don't know how I didn't get pulled over, but I just... Can I just say, if Target keep up with the foolishness, they gonna end up just like Forever 21. Can you ever have like enough yellow shirts though? I think not. Y'all, this stuff is so expensive and it's so small, but it smells so good. And yet and still I have not got what I came here for. Okay. Y'all, I went, you know, hold on. My mom's car always makes the weirdest noise when I come in here. I'm gonna see if it does it. And if you're not paying attention, they're gonna catch you off guard. What is that? I don't know. Anyway, I went to Target specifically for one thing and one thing. Let me turn on these lights before I forget. There we go. For one thing and one thing only. Okay, this is why I don't like Target, Walmart, any of those places like that. I went to Target for one thing. I spent $98 and I didn't even get the one thing because they did not have it. Oh, what's wrong with me? Lord Jesus. Sorry. I'm sorry. Come, you go. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Liam? Liam? Excuse me, sir. Hello? Liam, what did you do? What did you do? What did you do? You want to show the people what you did?
The people.
You want to show the people what you did?
That.
What did you do?
Take off.
You decided to take my little twists out the bag and just, you know, season the floor with them. They're nice all over the place. Took my stuff out of my... Move, get off me. We're not friends. These were all in here. He decided to just, you know, hey, let's just take them out and put them over there. That's my fault. That's my fault. But this here is your fault. You don't care. Okay. Y'all, what I'm about to show you, I don't want anyone to judge me. It's been a long couple of days. But I really need to clean my room today. It's really to the point where it's just like, Jess, what type of life are you living, you know? And normally I blame it on my niece and my nephew, but Pia has been gone for 3 weeks. A little bit of it has been Liam, but Liam usually takes his garbage with him. So I'm gonna give you guys an overview of what my room looks like. But here's an overview of my room. This is like, I don't know. This is the most embarrassing part. I cut my twist out of my hair the other day, on the same exact vlog, and I put it in a bag, and my nephew decided to sprinkle seasonings all over, so that's that. This is ridiculous. I really need to stop shopping. This is ridiculous. Clothes on my bed. This is just, it's ridiculous. I know. So anyways, I got a package today, and I was just like, oh cool, like this is great. A lot of the times when I'm getting like PR packages, I have no idea that I'm getting them because they have once they have your address, they just send you like, oh surprise, here you go. So I get a package from Sally Beauty today and I'm like, okay, cool. So I took it out of the box and I took it out like this and I'm like, okay, what is this? And then I turn it around. Can you guys guess what this is? Of course, it's a box full of Mono's hair products. And I just bought like pretty much the entire line. I spent like $60 on the entire line a week ago or a week and a half ago. And here we go. I have this big old thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a giveaway. I am, because for one, I wasn't super like in love with the products, but for two, this is really nice. I haven't even opened it yet. Like I just took this off, but I wanted to show you guys. So this is what it looks like, and it has like a little magnetic like box here. And here we go. Go ahead, Mo. This is cute. Pretty much everything that I reviewed, except there's a scalp and curl clarifier, and also I don't know. Anyways, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at onlyoneJess_, because I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway on that. And I know I've kind of been slacking with a few of my giveaways. Like I'll be saying I'm doing a giveaway and I'll pick a whole winner and they won't get their prize till like 3, 4, 5 months later. It's because I hate going to the post office. But I'm gonna do better. Anyways, I'm about to do a time lapse of me cleaning my room because I can't think in here anymore. Like I cannot be in a room that looks like this. This is not the safe space that I want. And I have to start practicing keeping a nice quarters, because I will be on my own soon. I will be on my own, but that's a whole different video. So anyways, let's do it.
Are just pieces of the layers. Only one she love as much as me is Jesus Christ the Savior. I got a future song singing for my grandma. You sing it too, but your grandma ain't my grandma.
Okay, so it's the next day. I didn't really finish cleaning my room last. What are you doing? Anyways, I didn't really finish cleaning my room last night, but I kind of finished this morning. It's still not really done, but I'm not cleaning anymore. So this is probably the cleanest part of my room right now. And then it just like, what happened? What happened? I didn't really do my bed, but I got all the stuff off the floor. I'm returning that stuff to Forever 21 tomorrow. And I mean, you know, it looks better than what it looked like yesterday. Give me a little bit of credit, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, we're about to go see Pia. They just got back today. This lighting is trying. Can I have my camera back, please? You are so disrespectful. Okay. Let's go talk to the camera.
Oh.
But we gotta get good. Can you give me this? Oh my god. Pia and my brother and his wife, they just got back literally like 30 minutes ago. So my mom and I and Liam are gonna go see them. Get away! We're gonna go see them. Are you excited to see Pia? Wanna see Pia? Are you excited to see Pia? Can I have my camera back, please? I can't. Go Liam, go Liam, go Liam, go Liam, go Liam. All right, let's go see Pia.
Pia!
There we go, Pia!
Pia!
All right, let's go see her. Okay, okay. Oh, you miss each other.
Back down.
Where's your mom go?
Aww. What's that? I missed you. Did you miss me? Thank you. Oh, thank you. We get this bread. That's right, girl. Fellas. I miss you. Let's say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, you guys. I will see you in the next vlog. We're going to have some family time. Yeah. Okay. All right. See ya. Bye.